Ant.
The gay cicada, full of song as the sunny season long, was unpolluted and grew slow when the north wind began to blow.
And not a scrap of worm or fly. Hunger at once began to cry. Never was creature more perplexed. She called upon her neighbor ant, and humbly prayed her just to grant some grain till August night.
I pay, she said, what ye advanced, both principle and interest, honor of insect, and that tender. The ant, however, is not lender, that is her less defective side.
But hark ye, pray, Miss Burrows, she cried. What were you doing in fine weather? Singing, nay. I look not thus asking. Took every comer day and night together, singing. I'm glad of that. Why now then dance?